Hello friends, I'm George from Geo Metal Decor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a tabletop sculpture and let's see how we're going to make. I've taken one paper. It's A4 size paper, so I'm just going to fold this into, just leave some space from top, and I'm just going to make a dot over here. Just want to mark like this to the corner. Just going to cut this. That's what I marked. So friends, so I've taken one small sheet here. It's a metal sheet, and the piece what I've cut it from the paper. Just want to mark this to this. I've marked two different shapes. One is, you can see, like this, and the other one is like this. So one is like this and the other one is like, it comes like this. Okay, so friends, I've cut it 3 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, and there is one more 3 pieces, total 6 pieces. There's a different shape and that's a different shape. Grind this. You can see some sharp edges here, so I'm just going to grind it. So friends, so I've cut it these 3 pieces and I just grinded it. It was little sharp, my hand got cut, so please use your gloves when you're working. So friends, I've cut one line here. You can see the line, and I'm just going to bend this. Hello friends, so we have cut the piece, marked, bended, buffed. You can see the shapes. I think you can see, right? You can see the shapes here. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay, it's however you want. So I'll show you next step what we're gonna do with this. So guys, I have some round plates here. You can see it's round plates. I have 6 plates here, and this is what we made. And I have a round rod. It's a metal rod. Here we go. So friends, the work has been finished. Only now I have to grind all these things. The welded joint here and here.